chips.
How cute with that. Oh, fuck.
So we're in the bathroom, just sat refreshing.
Wish I looked a nice tea.
Yeah. Okay, who knows what's gonna happen next, but I probably won't vlog because it's embarrassing. Ahaha hoi, okay, teams. So oblivious.
Yes.
No. So we just did deal or no deal and we used like this hack thingy and it worked.
So good.
So we got 100 tickets. Still not good, but
Not very good.
not good enough.
for 100 tickets.
It's good, but not good enough. About to put these in the fun chomper.
Special. You're so special.
You watch me.
Fit until I can't breathe. So I just bought the rest of Ashley and Maddie's Christmas presents.
So excited. I mean,
She knows what it is, so she chose it. She wouldn't let me get something that I would choose.
you're a little bit close to the ground.
So we've just been sitting in Civic Square and chilling out, you know, playing some tunes. Do something funny.
I can't do anything.
Hit that slow-mo.
Wait. Wait, stop it.
Okay, Monty finally left, so I feel more comfortable to vlog now.
Update, we just had a
I look so gross. We're at New World and I'm buying some marshmallows because we're having a campfire tonight. Swag. Hit that slow-mo. Supermarket pun time real quick because we need to leave.
cold.
Because you're from Alaska. You done wrong with that pun. What? You done wrong with that pun. Fuck you. New paddock on my wrist. What do you say when there's been a really long storm?
Steamed rice.
Long rain.
You a snack, bitch. You got the whole fucking.
I just
viewer.
put some ice on my wrist so I look better and I dance. Tonight?
Ew, tonight what?
Isn't it weird how the word chili can mean cold and hot at the same time?
Oh my god. I'm not saying it again. We can.
You're a bit of an odd fellow.
A bit of a what?
Odd fellow. Are you deputy head girl? Cause you're a smarty. Fuck you.
Are you the? What is it? No, wait.
Oh, good. I like my bread how I like my chicks.
Are you a snack? Because I want to savor the flavor.
When you walk up a hill. Panting. So we bought some crispy noodles and we're eating it right now.
And we're getting a ride. Yeet, no busing for these chickens.
Back at my dad's work, picking up all of our bags.
Stuffing my face with chicken noodles.
We're in the car.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
lucky I'm still here.
Thank
I
you,
was still
Mum.
at work.
little one. Jeez, steep hill, am I right? But the views, it's worth it. Is it?
Not that view.
So we're at Maddie's house now. Hi. Now we're leaving to go get fish and chips. Oh, double bubble. We got dropped off at Huggle & Co. Seated renowned fish and chips, am I right?
Yeah. That is fish.
Cool, go ahead. We out here at Foursquare. Oh my god, living life. Hashtag yes, seek discomfort, am I right? Oh my god. We've got a Lipton iced tea from this Foursquare, and who did we see, Maddie? Oh. It was a bit of a situation. We got our little fish and chips, and now we're gonna try find the beach. Oh my god, look at that highlight. Oh, stunning. Walking up the freaking stairs. Views, I really hope we can get down. You better be right. Okay, we have to get all the way over there to go down. It's about the journey,
Not the destination.
We could have just walked along the road, but Ashley.
Deputy head girl.
So Ashley took us God knows where. Sorry for the wind. So we were right there before, and we could have just kept walking on the road and then gone down, but Ashley almost slipped. Views, yeet! Oh yeah!
Oh, this is so pretty. Holy fuck.
She thought the view was pretty. I thought I was pretty. We're at the beach, got that golden hour lighting, am I right?
Oh,
She fell in the sand. Got our fish and no chips because they didn't freaking give us chips.
oh, it didn't reach me. Rip.
People showed up. Ooh.
Yeah.
People showed up. Yo. Ocean. Ocean man, take me by the hand.
Get it, dive in, hunt it. Did you all learn the same skill? Yeah. Ooh, toes.
Toes.
Okay, I'm so worried my phone's gonna fall in because I'm a fucking clap.
True.
Bass all in the speakers.
I didn't see it properly. Stop bullying.
Oh, that's good.
I don't think
Irritated, but they keep controlling me.
Oh wait, it's right behind you.
I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. Cameron, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
It's 10:30 and I'm sweaty. Ew. And we're in the car. Ashley's there. You can't see her.
Somehow.
And we're just going home. Bye.